Have you ever wanted something that can give you more pleasure than any porn can? Well, introducing the MetaQuest 2. No, the MetaQuest 3. This bitch ass. I got this like a week ago, and I just never got the opportunity to record a video on it. But from my personal experience, it works. It's phenomenal. It works phenomenally, if that's even a word. But yeah, I'm gonna go play Pistol Whip on it now. And also, I spent a lot on this fucking thing. So I'm gonna retire this. So, say goodbye to the MetaQuest 2. Hasta la vista. Great headset, by the way. I might like let a friend use it or something like that. Okay, let's go. And yeah, it's not clickbait, by the way. The MetaQuest 3 is awesome. Alright, is it glitchy at all? No, it's perfectly smooth. Alright, well hello everybody, my name's Dark Fox, and welcome back to Pistol Whip. So I'm playing Pistol Whip on the MetaQuest 3, just to like compare it to when I played it to the MetaQuest 2, which you should check out. Like here's a video where I played Pistol Whip on the MetaQuest 2. Future me, put it right on my hands. Thank you. Alright, so I think a few new levels came out. Right? Right? Yeah, this one. Work and Majesty. Okay, so which one should I do first? I'll play both of them. I'll play both of them. Oh, I'm gonna get a copyright strike for this, but who cares? It's not like I make any money anyway, but nah, it's cool. Okay, I'm gonna kill all these bastards. I put it on hard too because I am pretty good at this game. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it on beat. All right.
The shit you should throw in as my toilet seat. Demanding king's ransom for royalty. Deserve a mansion on royalty. Dress me in
alright, okay.
Form a new dynasty. The old one was dynasty.
I'm trying to get it on beat. That's literally what I'm trying to do. Alright, okay. Squat. Down. Squat. Alright. Left, right. Right, left, right. Bitch ass fuck. Molester. Let's go. Alright, okay. Okay. Alright. Fuck you and the ass. Ah! What the fuck? There goes a no hit. Bitch, fuck you in the fucking ass and fuck you. Oh. Man, this is playing so smoothly, and the colors look so great. That's fantastic. Okay, alright. I can't shoot those. That's sick. Okay, there's gonna be a bunch of exhale, now I look like a smoker. They hail me as king, but when hell freezes over, well I reign supreme and I sail on your shoulder. Oh, this is sick. Raindrop feel like a boulder. Drown in a pool. Alright. Oh, there's a dragon, eh? Hold your breath, I'm the heir to the kingdom. All the stars and galaxies address me as your majesty. Ah, I love this song so much. Alright. Man, I don't want to talk that much because I'll just ruin the song. Like, I'll ruin the experience. I didn't miss one, okay. Hi. Ah.
can't shoot those. Okay, all right. I may have missed one, but I'm not. I'm unsure. All right. Ah!
King has ascended a closer. Crown me in majesty, oh Lord. Majesty, oh Lord.
Fuck. Oh, by the way, you're also supposed to play this with 2 pistols, and I'm only using 1, so... fuck. Good stuff, though. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. What do you mean new personal best? What do you mean new personal best? I don't even think I have a record on this. Maybe I do, I don't know. Did I play this? No, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, it is what it is, it's fun. Okay, this song, Majesty, reminds me when I used to watch the F2 Freestylers. Great channel, or it was anyway, back when I was a kid. Oh, this is about the same guy. Okay, all right, let's go. And then all right.
Legendary grind for the hit song. Come to shut us down, you are what army? We about to go live, make it loud for me. Through rain, sleet, and snowflakes. Now the day off, when the day off was a raindrop in the lake. I done been lost, took a big cough, never been off of my game. Gotta end part, right. Go hard to the grave. Now let's work. The grind don't stop. We giving it up until it's squad on top. The grind never dies. We giving it up until the whole team rides.
Okay. Fuck, that's actually very annoying. The distant ones, always the distant ones. Okay, all right. Man, they really want me to shoot all over the place, don't they? Wow, 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 wow! I'm only halfway, all right. Right, left. Got him. Bitch! Okay. Whoa. That was hard. That was really hard. Okay. Whew. It's a good workout though. Oh shoot. Fucking really? If only I had 2 pistols, you know? I wouldn't have fucked that up. Okay. Like I didn't get hit, but I didn't get any of those machine guns. Fuck, I missed that. Man, I'm so hesitant to shoot a lot. Okay, am I good? Oh shoot. Or there goes Caesar. Jeez. Good stuff, good stuff. So that, I was playing Pistol Whip on the MetaQuest 2. Oh, everything's so colorful, so clear. Like it doesn't blur at all. Because what I had an issue with the MetaQuest 2. Did I say MetaQuest 2? I was playing this on the MetaQuest 2. I'm playing this on the MetaQuest 3. Anyway, about the MetaQuest 2 is that whenever I play this, I have to like slightly finick around with my headset so I have a clear view. And if not, like the edges of my view will be blurry. So there's like one focus point in my peripheral. It will be blurry around the edges. Oh yeah, that was Pistol Whip. This is the MetaQuest 3. My name's Dark Fox, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.